What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch, YouTube representing the birds. Before we start this video, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Mitch channel. Also, subscribe to the Birds of Broad Street YouTube channel with me, Simone, One Trey Rock, Smitty, and Notion Gang. Also, subscribe to the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel with me and MK Mitch Kowalski. And also, subscribe to the Y'all Still Them Boys YouTube channel where I deal with them straight rats, the Dallas Cowboys. So please, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Connor, Birds of Broad Street, Y'all Still Them Boys, and the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. September 4th, the Philadelphia Eagles will kick off the 2025 NFL season as the defending Super Bowl champs. They will raise a banner and we will celebrate Simone Staley's birthday early. But who will our Week 1 opponent be? Let's break it down and talk about it right now. What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch, YouTube representing the Super Bowl champion, Philadelphia Eagles. 121 days. 121 days till the Philadelphia Eagles kicks off the 2025 NFL season, where we will drop a banner and celebrate Simone Staley's birthday early. Hope you love the Kendrick Lamar concert, sis. She was at the link rocking the Kendrick Lamar and SZA. Hope you enjoyed it, sis. Oh, we about to turn up at the link this season. You can book it. Print it. Yesterday, I talked about the Detroit Lions as they are one of our opponents that we could face Week 1. Because we got the Lions, the Rams, our division. We got the Broncos. We got the Raiders. Right? So today, I want to talk about the Washington Commanders. Guys. Listen, I know y'all happy down there, right? You got a new stadium coming real soon. The NFL draft will be there in 2027. You got a lot of good stuff going on down there in D.C. Right? But just remember, this guy right here, G-Freakins, is still the best quarterback in the NFC East and the best quarterback in the NFC. And he beat JD5 not once, but twice. And could have done it for a third time if you mofos didn't give my boy a concussion. Right. We're just better than the Commanders. We're better. We're better. Okay, we're better. Listen, I get it. JD5, awesome. But he ain't no Jalen freaking Hurts. He ain't no Jalen freaking Hurts. And I want to see a little bit more from Jaden Daniels. I want to see a little bit more. Right? I need to see the one good year and y'all think he's the best thing since sliced bread. One good season and y'all think he's the second coming of Joe Montana or Patrick Mahomes or Tom Brady. One good year. Congratulations. Do y'all want a cookie? Do y'all want a cookie? If Mike North and the schedule makers give us the Commanders week 1, it would be sweet because you mofos would have to sit there. Dallas too if it was them, but we'll get to them another time. You Commanders would have to sit there, watch a banner drop with Simone Staley. Happy birthday. That's my sister, Birds of Broad Street, every Monday and sometimes Friday, 7:45, 8:40. Wish my sister happy birthday. And y'all will have to watch a banner drop and proceed to get your ass kicked by the Birds. We have defeated you in the past. Right. It's like the Commander fans are pumping their chest because they got JD5, who only had one good year. One. My boy, JD Friggins, went to 2 Super Bowls and won 1. He's a Super Bowl MVP. And he ain't no mama's boy. Right. Every time I see JD5, I see his mama. Jalen freaking Hurts with the love of his life, Bree Burrow. And they ain't with nobody's mama. Nobody. Do. Y'all. All this dancing stuff. Look, JD5. Like, all this dance. Right. And when it comes to Commanders, y'all got a couple good pieces. They got a good piece. They got good pieces like Debo. You got a couple good pieces. But that won't be enough. It won't be enough to stop the Philadelphia Eagles. It won't be enough to stop Jalen freaking Hurts. It hurts, don't it? It hurts, don't it? My Hurts season hat from Hell Big. It hurts, don't it, Commander fans, to know that we're catching up to y'all. We're catching up to y'all. It hurts, don't it? So yeah, y'all got good pieces. JD5 is all that. But he ain't Jalen freaking Hurts. And y'all ain't the Birds. So yeah, y'all can pump your chest on X and YouTube talking about JD5 and how y'all gonna win. I got Commander fans up here saying that y'all gonna win the division. The Philadelphia Eagles will be the team to break this curse. I'll have a video on that another time. But the Philadelphia Eagles will be the team to break that curse of a team not winning the NFC East back-to-back since the 03-04 Philadelphia Eagles. This team right here, led by Jalen Friggins, will be the one to break that curse. And there's nothing that you Commanders, you fans, or JD5 can do about it. And that's all I got to say. Listen, Commanders, enjoy second place. Because as long as the Philadelphia Eagles are here, that's exactly where you're going to be. Second place. To the reigning, defending, undisputed NFL Super Bowl champions of the world, your Philadelphia Eagles. B.O.B.S.